Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Jio Fiber router and connecting your computer with Ethernet for reliability. Wi-Fi works, but Ethernet avoids session drops. Open a browser and enter the gateway IP, commonly 192.168.29.1 because this address reaches the router directly. When prompted, type the admin username and password printed on the device or provided by Jio. You need these to change settings. Once logged, make sure to note current values so you can revert if needed. This prevents accidental lockouts. Once inside the web UI, go straight to network or advanced settings because that's where the useful controls live. You'll find wireless settings to set SSID, encryption type, and a strong password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Enabling 5 GHz improves speed for compatible devices. If you need port forwarding, CoS, or DHCP reservations, open services or LAN pages and edit entries carefully, one at a time, then hit save. Doing atomic changes helps you isolate any new issues. After making changes, apply and reboot the router from the interface or power, cycle it to ensure settings load cleanly. This avoids half-applied configurations. Then test connectivity by pinging the gateway and browsing, and confirm devices connect to the intended SSID and speeds are expected. If you lose access or forget credentials, hold the physical reset button for 10 seconds to restore factory defaults, but be aware this erases custom settings. Only use it as a last resort and reconfigure immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.